buzzer, batteries, clock clip, glue gun, etc. Nitish, why don't you explain the steps of this simple door-alarm clock?
We started making the door alarm with a clock clip and two batteries. Then we sector both the batteries with a clock clip and we drill the top of the clock clip and put in the screws.
This was followed by soldering the edges of the screws to attach the wires of the speaker. The buzzer was attached on one side of the clock clip with the help of a glue gun.
The two wires were then connected to the screws. A visiting card was folded into half and was glued to fold half so that the buzzer does not buzz continuously. Can you explain me what is about this?
When we remove the thread, the cardboard attached to the thread is simple yet innovative door alarm starts ringing. Mahika, can you explain to us why should we use this door alarm?
Yes, of course. To start with, the materials used are best out of it, easy to get and modify. Moreover, the batteries doesn't need any frequency replacement.
Mahika, why don't you explain the principle maker behind it?
Yes, of course. The batteries push the current to speaker through screws and wires that completes the circuit. As a result, the alarm stands ready. Thank you for coming at our counter.